Hi, my name's Hazim Gaber, and today I'm going to show you how to get out of the CrowdStrike mess that you're in. So, if your computer is rebooting, first thing you want to do is keep rebooting it like 3 billion times, or 1 time, or 4 times, or as many times, and eventually you'll get to this screen, and the screen says recovery. It looks like Windows didn't load correctly. If you'd like to restart and try again, choose Restart My PC below. So you'll see two options here. See Advanced Repair Options on the left, or Restart My PC on the right. You want to choose the left button, see Advanced Repair Options, and click on that. And then you'll see a screen with 3 options here. One says Continue, one says Troubleshoot, and one says turn off your PC. You're going to choose troubleshoot, and that'll take you to advanced options, and you'll see 6 options here. You might see more, you might see less. That all depends on the type of computer that you have. You're going to want to choose the option that says start up repair. Now, if you're really smart, you can also choose command prompt, but that's another story. But the easy way is basically choose Startup Repair, and you'll see another screen that says Startup Settings, and there's an option to restart. So it'll say restart to change Windows options such as video, debugging, blah, blah, blah. So choose restart, then your computer restarts, and you end up with 9 options here, and you get to choose one. So you're going to choose Enable Safe Mode, which is number 4. So either press the number 4 on your keyboard or press F4, and then you'll enter Safe Mode, and your computer will load back to Windows, but it'll be Safe Mode, so almost everything is disabled. And then from here, you're going to want to open File Explorer or this PC or Windows Explorer, depending on the version that you have, but basically just search for Explorer. And then when you get to Windows Explorer, you're going to go to your local disk. So it could be drive C or D or F or whatever letter it is where your Windows operating system is installed. And then you're going to want to open the System32 folder, and then you're going to want to open the drivers folder, and you're going to see a CrowdStrike folder. So you're going to open up the CrowdStrike folder, and then you're going to see a billion files in here. You might say what we're looking for is a file that says C-0000029, and then it's got a bunch of numbers behind it, and it's going to be a system file. So it's going to be .sys. So you're going to want to delete that file. You might see more than one file. If you see more than one file, you want to delete the latest one, because that's the one that's active. Or you can delete all of them just to be safe. Now, if there's a million, billion, trillion files in your computer, then you're going to want to click on the search bar and then just type C-0000029 *.sys, and that'll show you that'll bring up the file that you want to delete, and then just delete it, and then reboot your computer, and you'll be back to normal. Now, if you have BitLocker, and some of you have BitLocker, because if you have CrowdStrike, then you probably have BitLocker, then when you turn on your computer, you're going to see a BitLocker screen, so you won't be able to do any of this, which means you'll need either the password, and if you don't have the password, then you're going to want to press Escape and find your BitLocker recovery key. So it's a long set of digits that you'll have to put in, and once you put that in, then you can unlock the drive. Now, if you can't find your BitLocker key, you're pretty much screwed here. But if you're having trouble, second option is you can go to hirensbootcd.org. You can download the Hirens boot CD and then boot up from there, and then use that to get to your Windows drive and unlock your drive. If you have any questions, please post a comment. Thank you.